Children, today we will see exercise 13.2. There are 5 questions. We will solve first, second and fifth. Third and fourth will be a homework because third and fourth you have solved in class 8. You know how to solve. You try to solve it. The first question, construct a parallelogram ABCD where AD equals 4 cm, AB equals 6 cm, angle A equals 65 degree. It is given AB 6 cm. Draw a line AB of 6 cm. Name it A, B and write over here 6 cm. Then it is said from angle A 65 degree. Draw an angle of 65 degree from point A. I am saying the step of construction also with the drawing. Write over here 65 degree. Name it X. Now take an arc of 4 cm because AD is 4 cm. Take an arc of 4 cm. From point A, cut an arc of 4 cm. Just check it is 4 or not, because sometimes it gets disturbed also if it is little loose. Name it D and write over here 4 cm. It is parallelogram. We know parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. How much this measure is? 4 cm. Then it opposite AD opposite side will be BC. Then cut an arc of 4 cm. Then AB opposite side will be DC. Measure 6 cm. From point D cut an arc. It will intersect at a point. Name it point C. Join BC and DC, thus a parallelogram ABCD is obtained. Is it clear? Now see question number 2. Construct a parallelogram AB 4 cm, AD 3 cm and diagonal. In this, diagonal is given, angle is not given. Diagonal AC is 4.5 cm. Just you draw a rough drawing as you are drawing in class 8. We know parallelogram, it will be moreover same like this. It may be tilt of this side also or that side also. We don't know. This is a parallelogram ABCD. Now diagonal is given AC. AC is given 4.5 diagonal. And AB is given 4 cm. And AD is given 3 cm. Now, as it is parallelogram, we know its opposite sides are equal. Therefore, this side will be also 4 cm. This opposite side is this. This side will be also 3 cm. Now, we can draw it very easily. Now, see. Draw a line AB of 4 cm. I am saying the step of construction with doing only. Name it A, B, right? 4 cm. Now what is the diagonal given? AC 4.5. Measure 4.5 in the rough. From point A, cut an arc. Now AD is given, BC is not given, but AD is equal to BC as it is parallelogram. Then we have to measure 3 cm. In the rough, you measure 3 cm. You measure 3 cm. From point B, cut an arc. Name it C. Join CB and CA. Join CB and CA. And write over here 4.5 cm, 3 cm. Now we know its opposite sides are also equal. So BC how much it is? 3. Then from point A also cut an arc of 3 cm. AB opposite side is CD. Take an arc of 4 cm from point C, cut an arc. From point C, cut an arc. Name it D. Join AD and CD. And write over here 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Thus, a parallelogram ABCD is obtained. Is it clear? Question number 5th we will see. Construct a trapezium ABCD where AB parallel CD, AB equal 5 centimeter, BC equal 3 centimeter, AD equal 3.5 centimeter, and the distance between the parallel line is 2.5 centimeter. We will just do the rough and we will proceed for the question. It is said a trapezium AB, we know trapezium forms like this, AB, C, D, and the distance between this is 2.5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3.5 centimeter, and AB is 5 centimeter. Now, how to draw this distance? So we will draw a line segment XY without measure. Don't take any measure. X, Y. Then on the line XY, take a point O. Take a point O on the line XY. From point O, draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular, you draw just a 90 degree, or you know how to draw a perpendicular. I am showing that also to you, how to draw a perpendicular. You take a rounder, from point O, draw a semicircle and you draw a 90 degree. You know that. This is the perpendicular. After drawing perpendicular, how much distance between the two parallel lines? It is 2.5. Take an arc of 2.5 centimeter. From point O, cut an arc of 2.5 centimeter. Name it as D and write over here 2.5 centimeter. Is this step clear? Now, take an arc of 3.5 centimeter. That is, DA is 3.5 centimeter. Take an arc of 3.5 centimeter. From point D, cut an arc on the line XY. It will intersect, name it point A. Now, same how we have drawn a perpendicular from point O, same we have to draw a perpendicular from point D also. You can use both. Draw a perpendicular. I am showing you both how to do. The same, from point D, draw a semicircle. From the point, cut an arc. Now the next measure is given. CD is 3 centimeter. You join this. What we have cut an arc? DA, that is 3.5. DA is 3.5. You measure it once. Yes, it is 3.5. You write over here 3.5 centimeter. Now the next was 3 centimeter. You measure a 3 centimeter. Before measuring 3 centimeter, what was the line of AB? That is 5 centimeter. From point A, draw a line of 5 centimeter, name it point B. Now you measure 3 centimeter. From point B, cut an arc on the line D, name it P. It will cut at a point, name it point C. Then join CB and write over here 3 centimeter. Thus ABCD trapezium is formed. Is it clear?